Windows can't be installed on drive 0 partition 1. Show detail. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The select disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disk. So how to solve this one? First, Shift plus F10. Shift plus F10. Then type disk part. Enter. Okay. List disk. Then from this one, this disk is for flash drive. You have to select disk 0. So select disk 0. Select disk 0. Okay, press enter. Then clean. When we clean this disk, every data and files have been removed from the disk. Okay, clean. Okay, enter. Now disk part succeed in cleaning the disk. Now the disk is cleaned. Okay, type convert GPT. Press enter. Okay, disk part successfully converted the select disk to GPT format. Okay, now type exit. Enter. Okay, exit again. Okay, click on I don't have a product key. Windows 10 Pro. Next. Accept. Next. Custom install Windows only or advanced. Click here. Okay, now it is what? Enabled. Drive 0 analogy space. Okay, here click next. Just click yes. Yes again. Skip. Enter the name of the PC. Let's say PC 2. Next. Accept. Congratulations, Windows 10 operating system have installed successfully. Disk management. Right click here. New volume. Next. Okay. Next here. G. Next here. Let's say data. Next. Finish. Okay. Disk drive G is created now. Close here.